I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks.
Hi pretties, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking that button. As you can see by pressing the title of this video, we are doing a beautiful, colorful, spring, summer inspired makeup look. I don't even know what to name this look yet, y'all, so I'm not even sure as I'm sitting here what the name of this look is. However, I was definitely inspired by this palette right here, Box of Crayons. I know I'm late as hell, but listen, Supa, you knew it was hard as hell to get this palette. You always selling out. I had to wake up like 2 o'clock in the morning to get this palette, and it's finally here. I want to do a really quick review about it. So, number one, packaging was excellent. It was delivered by UPS. I know a lot of people were complaining about the packaging, but I do want to say it was signature confirmation. I know for some people that's really important. I'm very comfortable and I'm very blessed and happy to live in a place where, like, I have a package sitting on my porch right now and no one bothers my things. And I was thinking about having a P.O. box, but I'm just completely comfortable, thank God, that I can just have my packages delivered and not have to worry about anyone taking them. In fact, my neighbors watch out for my packages. But however, I know a lot of people live in situations or you're in certain places where you do not feel comfortable. So just know that it is signature confirmation, because you do not want nobody stealing your shit that you work really hard for. And yeah, the packaging is nice and secure, it's tight. And the shipping was only about, after processing, it was only 3 or 4 days. So I know $8.99 is steep for shipping, but let me tell you something. Y'all will spend $50 on the Naked palette, on the Too Faced palette, and everything. And I'm not knocking any of these brands. I'm affiliated with some of these brands, and I definitely love and appreciate these brands. However, we have to really support our Black-owned businesses when they are doing great and amazing things like Supa is. And this palette right here is the bomb, okay? The bomb. First of all, you get, how many, I don't even know how many colors. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 18 colors. 18 colors, 18 pigmented, beautiful colors. And she's only charging $30. So adding $8 for shipping, y'all, come on now, y'all. Stop being cheap. Being cheap. You know that's goddamn cheeseburger meal now, and we don't eat them no more. So go ahead and pay $8.99 for the shipping. This palette is beautiful. The color arrangement, just the simplicity of it. Supa said, I'm gonna keep the shit simple. Green, blue, red, yellow. I love it and I'm here for it. Different finishes, different shadings. It's beautiful. It's something in here definitely for everybody. So I think it's definitely worth every penny. I'm not gonna sit here and do a million swatches. Y'all have already seen the swatch videos. Y'all have already seen all of this. You'll just be able to see now me putting this palette to work and use. And my honest opinion, y'all know I love Juvia's. I love my Juvia's. And these palettes are just as this palette is just as pigmented and just as beautiful as my Juvia's, and that goes a long way with me, because I can't even not do an eye look without throwing a little bit of Juvia's in there. You know, like the man that be sprinkling a little salt. Always gotta sprinkle a little Juvia's. And I was about to say I didn't sprinkle Juvia's. I did sprinkle Juvia's this time. However, this is a strong palette, and I think I can do this palette like all alone. Even with neutrals, like these 3 shades, because all you need is a tan, a brown, and a black, and you got a perfect neutral, pretty look over here. The gold is like such a pretty unique gold. I know I said I wasn't gonna swatch, but look at that gold right there. I promise I'm not giving y'all a finger, but I don't know if it's even gonna focus. There we go. Look how beautiful and pigmented these colors are, y'all. This is definitely, listen, come on, hand, get right. Hold on, because y'all gonna see this today. That's one swipe, that's no primer, that's no nothing. So it's definitely worth every single penny. Anywho, I'm going to stop rambling and stop talking. I'm gonna let y'all get into this video and let y'all see me using this product in action. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you do enjoy my tutorials, please share them. It is so important and it helps my channel grow. Also subscribe and tell a friend to subscribe, and y'all both hit that bell for notifications so you can be notified every time I post a new video. I'm getting back on the schedule. I'm posting Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. Thanks again so much for watching. Stay pretty. Let's get into the look. Alright, so to start, I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution concealer, and the shade I believe is C11. I like it because it's a very drying concealer and I do not have to set it. I'm going to go in with my Naked Petite Heat palette, and the colors that I'm using are called Wild Thing and Strike. I mixed them both together to get a nice warm, smoky transition going on. Right after that, I'm jumping in with my Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm using the purple. As I stated before, these purples do not have names. Well, none of the colors have names in her palette. And now I'm taking that purple on the outer V, really building the intensity of this purple. You can also go in with a darker purple, which I did do a little bit later on. Now you know what I'm doing here. I'm just simply cutting the crease. I use a very small, tiny brush because my eyes are super, well, my girlfriend says they're not small, they're just super slanted. So it's easier for me to use a small brush like this. All right, now I'm going in with that Box of Crayons eyeshadow palette. I love the concept. This color here is called Violet, and I'm going to go ahead and dab that on with an eyeshadow brush lightly. I'm noticing with the cut crease that you really want to take nice thin layers that looks really great and build them up. Now I'm going in and placing magenta right next to it, and after the magenta I put in orange. I'm sorry I didn't show it on camera, but that's just orange that I'm putting in that inner color. And then I put a little bit of glitter from Coastal Scents to make it pop out a little. Let's get started on the face. I'm going to take my Infallible Pro Lock primer and put that all over my face to help smooth out my pores. And then I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty foundation and my Danessa Myricks Illuminating Veil. Always get that mixed up. And I know it looks a little bronzy, but trust me, just keep playing with the foundation until you get that nice coverage. In the summer, I really love bronzy, dewy looks. I like to pair this with my LA Girl Fawn concealer. I just think fawn looks so good after I bronze my skin, just to get back to my true yellow complexion because I am very yellow. And now I'm going to take a beauty blender and blend everything out, really taking my time. Now I'm taking, I believe this is Makeup Forever, my foundation stick. I'll have the shade down below, and I'm going to blend that out. I love cream contouring in the summer as well. I just love, for some reason, a little bit more bold, defined definition in my highlight and contouring in the summer. I'm taking it back to Midnight Camel Powder. I will say that you may have noticed in the first clip, I did cut my contour with it. When you cut your contour with this powder, you kind of want to dust this off immediately. I let it sit a little bit too long, and I had to go and take more setting powder and more setting spray, and it was just way more annoying. So don't let that sit too long. Now I'm taking my Aqua Defense by H2O Beauty and spraying it all over my face. I'm going in with MAC, my Mimi highlighter, my current fave right now. I do think I did top it eventually with Blinded by the Light by Too Faced. That's just my go-to right now. Nothing new. Now I'm going to take this teal eyeliner by e.l.f. This is beautiful for a pop of summer, and I think this is what really made the look more fun and flirty and summer-like. I'm going to put that right on my waterline, and I really kind of smoke it out a little bit. I set it with some blue eyeshadow. I'm taking my Notion lip liner by ColourPop, and in the center I take MAC Heroine for a nice purple lip to really set this look off, and that pretty much completes the whole look. I really hope you enjoyed. If so, do not forget to press that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. Thank you so much for watching. Stay pretty, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.